Welcome to Kishimoto Decoded, the Architect's Code, a deep dive into Masashi Kishimoto's storytelling architecture, the recurring systems, narrative logic, and structural patterns that govern how his worlds are designed and experienced. This series treats Kishimoto's body of work as a unified architectural language, examining not only Naruto but also Samurai 8 and his one-shots, in order to identify the signature patterns that repeat across different stories, genres, and settings. By reverse engineering the structural logic behind his writing, the Architect's Code reveals how themes, mirrors, inversions, visual echoes, and red herrings are intentionally programmed into the narrative, not as isolated techniques, but as expressions of a guiding design philosophy, one that can fracture, distort, or even be abandoned when its structural language is not understood. This series is not about defending outcomes or debating preferences, but about understanding how Kishimoto constructs meaning, programs the reality of his universes, and guides the reader through layered narrative spaces, much like an architect shaping form, depth, and dimensionality through structure. At its core, the Architect's Code is a literacy project, a way of training the eye to recognize systems at work in storytelling. By learning to see how Kishimoto's narratives are built, where patterns repeat, where structures strain, and where design gives way to improvisation, readers are invited not to agree but to see more clearly and to engage with his work from the level of architecture rather than reaction.